guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Sid and you are rolling with me. Well, today is, what's today? Today's Tuesday, and I am taking Cavari to get its first oil change since me having it. So, and I'm also driving in the rain. As you can see, it's raining. Driving in the rain, driving Cavari in the rain. But ain't nothing wrong with that. This car was made for that.
In 2 miles, use the left 2 lanes to take the I-64 west exit toward Charlottesville.
Okay. I guess she wanted to interrupt us this morning. But anyway, these cars are made to be driven in the rain. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about the vents back there and the water going on the engine. You got to wash the car anyway. So at the end of the day, it's a car. It's a car. You can't just sit them and, drive them only when it's good weather out. At least that's just my thoughts. So, anywho, oh, damn. I had I think he's a subscriber that said that, I say anywho a lot. At the end of the day, I do. That's me. I say a lot of stuff a lot. But I'm not going to stop saying it because you're pointing out to me how many times I'm saying something. Still going to say it. Still going to talk with my hands. Still going to do whatever I'm doing. I'm not going to change. I've always done this. If you look at all my other videos, it's just who I am. But anywho, I appreciate all the new subscribers and the old subscribers and everything. I appreciate you guys. You guys make me happy. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm happy anyway. But anyway, I'm not going to talk you guys a hole in the head or whatever. I'm going to get to the dealership to get the car.
In half a mile, use the left 2 lanes to take the I-64 west exit toward Charlottesville.
Get the car oil inspected, and I'll be back with you guys in 3, 2, 1. So, I'm going to getting Cavari ready. I went and purchased a tire. I have it for the Forgies, and I'm gonna put them back on for a couple days because I'm going to homecoming. I'm going to homecoming, so I wanted to put the wheels back on to go to homecoming or whatever. So gonna do that, and then I got some plans coming up. You guys stay tuned. I got some plans coming up. But anywho, see, now every time that I say anywho, I'm gonna laugh because it's funny that, somebody would point out how many times I say something or what I say. So maybe, I don't know. And now somebody gonna say how many times I said, I don't know. At the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? Everything's gravy. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna have nothing to talk about. I'm just trying to kill some time just to get to the dealership and get this oil changed. And then I also have to drive up to Spotsylvania to drop my best friend his car off. He got to drop his car off to get some stuff done. So got to do that. So I got a lot planned today. Is now, what time is it? It is 10:11, and yeah, get those things done, and I'm gonna take you guys with me and any interesting things that we have on the way. You'll see it. But anyway, stay tuned to the video or whatever, and just, calm down. It's all right. Everything all right. more like Fabulous. A mixture of Tupac and Fabulous. Yeah. Come on, tell me what this is. Is that a splitter or is that a side skirt? Is that called a side skirt? Don't worry, I'll Google it.
Don't you create content?
I'll Google it. I'll
content?
Google it. Yes. I'll Google it.
I thought you create content.
I
You
do.
should know. I don't know.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold, behold.
So I got Cavari back, oil change. They told me I had 3 recalls on it that needs to be done, so I got to bring it back next week to get the recalls taken care of or whatever. And so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to pick up the Forgies, get the tires put on, and I'm going to mount them back on Cavari. Just for like maybe a little bit, and then I'm gonna take them off probably pretty soon. I'm just gonna have them on because I'm going to A&T's homecoming, G-Ho. So I'm gonna put them on for that, then I'm probably gonna take them off again. So, you know, it is what it is. Anywho. One of the studs is stripped, so I have to take it to a mechanic to get that taken off and get another one put on. So that's what I'm gonna do this week. But where he's doing right now, he's just trying to smooth it out a little bit to get the lug nut on. But I'm getting it taken care of this week, so either way, it's straight. So I'm here over here at the shop where I get my cars done at, and this one, something's going wrong with it. I don't know what's going on with it, you know what I'm saying? So, but I'm here to get it together. My homeboy OG works up in here. He works on my stuff, so he's gonna get it straight for me. But I had to pick this up or whatever. But look what I got over there. Look at that. You see that? Yeah. Blackout.